What's up everybody? It's your boy Stephen Condon. Welcome back to another Bossman Brand video featuring me, the founder of Bossman Brands, and I want to thank you guys for tuning in, and I especially want to thank you guys if you subscribed. If you haven't, go below, click that subscribe button, because I'm coming out with a bunch of badass videos, including the last one. I need you guys to scroll back after this video, because what I did, I taught you the most important step of growing a beard. It's washing your beard. When do you wash your beard? How often do you wash your beard? And what do you use? Well, you use your all-natural beard, hair, and body soap. You can use it on your body, you can use it on your beard, you can use it on your hair. Man, you can shave with this stuff. It's amazing. So the reason I wanted to show you that and continue this video, because this video I wanted to answer another very important question. How often do you condition your beard? What do you use? Well, what I like to do, I wash my beard every day, but I do it very lightly, and I like to do it in a cold water. But twice a week, I do get a deep cleanse. Will get into the pores really nice with my bar soap, but I will also condition it. And what do I use? My Bossman's Fortify Intense Conditioner, baby. Yeah. Comes in stagecoach scent, gold scent, magic scent, and hammer scent. There you go. This stuff is remarkable. It is super thick. I made it super thick, packed full of nutrients like jojoba oils, mango butters, avocado oil, argon oil, a bunch of stuff. And you can tell the difference between this and a normal conditioner, man. I will give your money back if it's not killing the competition. I swear. Check this. I mean, this stuff is just thick. And once you get it on and use it, you're gonna notice it just lays your beard flat, makes it super soft, and man, it's just a game changer. So check it out, man. Bossmanbrand.com. It's Fortify Intense Conditioner. And you can get it for $14.95 for one. You can get three for $33, and I do all 4 scents for $44, man. So I'm not trying to pull all the money out of your pocket. I'm just trying to get you a good product. I'm Stephen Condon. Thank you guys for tuning in. Bossmanbrand.com. Peace, guys.